Hello everyone, welcome to my computer class. Let's begin with a new practical in Flash where the text which we are going to type on the stage is going to flash on the stage. That is flashing text effect we are going to do. Let's see how to do it. For that, first of all, I need to select here text tool. Using text tool, let's type some text here. I'm typing text as Om. Okay, now you may select the text font size, font color, font from character panel. Text menu, character panel command is available. Using this, you may select the font size, style of the text as well as the color as you want. Okay, I've selected already. Size as, let me reduce the size as, I'm giving it as 30. Fine, and keeping on the center of the stage. Fine, after doing this, let me remove this character panel, it's not needed now. After this first command, this is a tweening motion, so we need to convert this text into create motion tween command. Using create motion tween, we'll convert into tweening. Insert menu and then create motion tween command, select it. Once it is selected, we are started with the first step of animation. Let's go for the second step here. Second step, I'm selecting frame as 50th frame. That means that this is the duration I have selected for the animation. 50 frames it will run. Okay. Now after this, next step is insert menu, keyframe command. Select keyframe command. Keyframe command copies the text Om from first frame till the 50th frame. Okay, now it is copied. Now what we have to do next is slowly, gradually it should increase the size of this text. So that's why I have to keep my cursor on 50th frame, and there only I need to increase the font size by selecting scale tool. As you know, I have converted this text into motion tween. Now we cannot change the font size by selecting character panel tool. Okay, we cannot change the font size this way. You need to use scale tool. Let's increase the size by selecting scale tool. Any one of the corner node I can drag and increase the size. That's it. Let's play this, how it will display me. It is gradually increasing the font size, is it? As well as, see, suddenly it disappears and becomes small. Now what I want, gradually how it is increasing the font size, it should gradually decrease also. Now for that, what we need to do, let me close this first. Okay, now on 50th frame, size of the text is very big. Now double of 50 is 100 frame. I'm clicking on below it and selecting insert menu keyframe command. Selected. Now here on 100 frame, it should go and decrease the font size. By how come? By selecting scale tool and reduce the size of this image. Let's reduce. Is it this much? Okay, then after that, see, first size match, try to match with it, and last size 100 frame, little bigger. So let me reduce it more. Fine. Let's see this output now. Control enter to see the output. Gradually it will increase the font size as well as it will reduce it also. This is name flashing on the stage. Okay, based on this practical, we'll be creating a new practical in the new session. Hope you must have enjoyed this. Do practice of this and let's meet in the next practical. See you then. Till then, bye.